All right, guys. Hey, we've got this 221 gram ball, et cetera, et cetera. The first thing, we've got some angles. We got all kinds of information. The first thing I did to solve this problem is I wanted to find the period. And the period is the number of seconds per oscillation, right? And then once I do that, and we know the seconds per oscillations, we've got 14 seconds in 17 oscillations. So you'll divide that. That'll give you T. And then what you're trying to solve for is how long is the string. So if you look at your equation sheet that has the list of all the equations, the key equation is T, the period, is equal to 2 pi, the square root of L over G. You're solving for L. Now don't forget G stands for the acceleration of gravity. You're on the Earth, so G is 9.8. So you're solving for L. Once you solve for T, you can find L.